Guess who visited our classroom this week? It's the Grinch. But don't worry, our little Grinches are full of giggles. We read How the Grinch Stole Christmas and learned that Dr. Seuss was both the author and the illustrator. Cool! Then, we used science to make the Grinch's heart grow 3 sizes.
Remember how Grinch's heart we put in water yesterday? How small it was? So how big does the Grinch's heart go? How big does it get? 3 times this size, okay? Let's take out the heart.
Being a Grinch works up an appetite, so we decorated yummy sugar cone Christmas trees. They looked beautiful and tasted even better. We played Grinch Bingo and Beanbag Toss. But our favorite was Pin the Heart on the Grinch. It was a fun reminder that kindness is what truly makes our hearts grow. At Yang Fan Preschool, we nurture kind hearts and curious minds.